Torsion versus extension springs, what every homeowner needs to know before replacing garage door springs. If you're dealing with a worn-out garage door spring, you'll likely hear two terms, torsion springs and extension springs. But what's the real difference, and which one should you choose? Wrench torsion springs, mounted above the garage door. Store energy by twisting. Longer lifespan, 15,000 to 20,000 cycles. Safer and smoother operation. Fewer maintenance headaches. Nut and bolt extension springs, mounted along the sides of the door. Stretch and contract to assist opening. Lower upfront cost but typically last 10,000 cycles. Can be dangerous if not installed properly. Require regular maintenance on pulleys and cables. If safety, longevity, and smooth performance matter, torsion springs are worth the investment. For budget-conscious, light-duty setups, extension springs may suffice, but they come with trade-offs.